2016 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.